Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be talking about protein toxicity. So what really inspired me to talk about protein toxicity is that my brother was really obsessed on building his muscle and has been incorporating, has been taking excess protein into his diet. He's been incorporating like this protein rich, protein heavy meals into his diet. And I was really worried about his kidneys and, his general physiologic condition. So I looked into this topic and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So let's start by defining proteins. After water, the most abundant in most cells are proteins, which constitute about 10 to 20% of the cell mass. They can be divided into two as structural and functional proteins, but I won't be going into the details for today because that's not in our agenda. However, I want you to look at the RDA, or the recommended dietary allowance for a healthy adult per day. That is zero point 0.8 grams per kilogram. So let's get on by defining protein toxicity. Protein toxicity is defined as the buildup of protein metabolic waste products such as ammonia, urea, amino acids in the blood in an already poorly functioning kidney. So the most of the articles I read actually highlighted that protein toxicity is a great concern in an already poorly functioning kidney, not in a healthy kidneys. So it's a great concern in renal failure. There are also articles that have defined protein toxicity in relation to neurodegenerative diseases, because protein toxicity is like the primary or principal feature of neurodegenerative diseases. So they have defined it as as pathological changes as a result of accumulation, mislocalization, and or multimerization of disease-specific proteins. So we can actually diagnose the renal function test by using the lab tests such as blood urea nitrogen creatinine, or the ratio of blood urea nitrogen and creatinine. The normal level of ammonia, urea, and amino acids are already stated in several reference. You can refer books and okay, let's start on with ammonia. There are actually references or articles that put ammonia, classify ammonia range per age, but in general the normal ammonia level in the blood is recorded to be less than 30 micromole per liter. In urea, the range is between 2.1 and 8.5. Amino acids, there are like various and several amino acids that we need to consider. As an example, I put like cysteine, glutamine, histidine, valine, and as such. So for today, the things that I want you guys to know, or the things that I have understood from my reviews, that protein toxicity is a great concern, is a great issue when it comes in an already poorly functioning kidney or in renal failure. It is not a great concern in healthy kidneys. However, this doesn't mean that we just can take excess protein into our diet. We need to make sure that we have incorporated every important nutrient, such as macronutrients and micronutrients, into our diet. We need to make sure that we have a balanced diet. The thing is about the healthy functioning kidney is that our kidneys are built to maintain homeostasis by increasing or decreasing hormonal levels, right? So but in an already you know damaged kidney, the glomerular pressure will be increased, and so the burden on the kidneys will be increased, and we don't want that. So if the kidneys are not functioning well, this nitrogenous waste products that we have mentioned, such as ammonia, urea, and amino acids, will be built up into our blood, and that is a great issue. And also, if a person has metabolic disorders such as missing enzymes, it can affect the digestion and metabolism phases, and so we need to be really careful when it comes to that. So that's it, you guys, for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. See you next time. Thank you.